Good morning. So today is day 3. It is Port Canaveral day, and a lot of people are getting off the ship. We choose not to get off the ship in Port Canaveral. It's Florida, and it's a great day to just kind of enjoy the ship. The kids want to do the FlowRider and a bunch of other things. So we got a great deal on a casita today. We figured, since we knew we were going to stay on the ship, what better day to get that than today. Day 3, Port Canaveral. We are in port today, but not until I think around noon. So we decided we're gonna stay on the ship, and I was able to get a great deal on a casita today. The casitas are these little bedded houses or shaded areas around the pool area and deck on deck 16. So they are a first come, first serve basis, and each day, or if you have multiple throughout the week, you reserve which ones you want. Turns out we got number 7. Number 7 is up here kind of by the water slides, but what I'm most excited about is we can really see the kids down at the main pool if they're down there or we're down there. We have a great view. We also have a table with an ice bucket up here. Our towels are already here. And if you check this out, USB ports, which is really nice. So we'll have that for the day. Hello, Jerry. Are you going to be our attendant today?
Yes.
Is it okay if I film you a little bit? Guys,
yes.
This is Jerry. So he's helping us out. He's making sure we have ice and all that good stuff.
Everything.
Everything. Nice. And there you go, guys. Number 7. That's our view. Sunshine Street. Little Bry wants a good view today of the ocean, so he already, oh, and Kevin, they already have their clamshell stoked out, right? Right, Kev? Are you good? Okay. It's gonna get a little windy here, so here we go. Bry, Jerry.
We're watching over there. They got in the sports pool. There's a crew training. They're showing the crew how to use the lifeboats and stuff over there in the sports pool. Oh. Not the big lifeboats, the crew lifeboats.
Cool, cool, cool. All right, guys, we're gonna get this day started.
Well, we're up here on the sports deck, back at deck 16 in the aft of the ship. We just completed our waivers for the FlowRider, and that line is starting to get a little bit long, and it doesn't even open for another 17 minutes. Something to note, Tyler had to go put his drink down because they said you can't flow ride and drink at the same time. How does that make you feel, Tyler?
It makes me feel sober, honestly.
So we're gonna go get in line for this thing. We still got a few minutes left. The girls were not tall enough yet to go on the FlowRider, so we've got the girls over here gonna head on down to deck 6 the quick way. How are we getting down to deck 6, girls? And Mom's going with them. So we got the rest of the crew gonna head up and meet us. We're gonna go get in line. There's Kevy. Hey, Kev. You ready for the FlowRider?
Yeah.
Did you fill out your paperwork?
You did.
Did you do your exercises that prove you are healthy enough to do the FlowRider? You did? Are you ready to go? All right. All right, next time you see us on camera, we're gonna be falling down in a wave. FlowRider. Let's head back up to our casita. Well, one of the interesting things about cruising out of the Northeast is when you go south, you stop in another embarkation port. So we're going to be pulling in there now to Port Canaveral. Looks like some of our friends are already here. Looks like either Harmony or Symphony of the Seas is here. And definitely see an MSC ship over there. Might be the Seaside or the Seashore. And might be an NCL ship over there too. But we're going to see if we can get through this channel and try and parallel park this thing. Well, we just spent a nice day up on the pool deck. We are in Port Canaveral today. We did not get off the ship. Port Canaveral, when you're coming down from New Jersey or New York, is a great stop. The cruise lines get to restock all their supplies, do all that kind of stuff. But we treat it as a sea day. We had a casita today. We had a couple issues, but everything was taken care of by the staff. It was fantastic. Can't say enough good things about Jerry and Matthew. Took care of our whole crew all day. We're here on a group cruise, and our entire group, well, almost our entire group, was able to stop by the casita at some point or another, spend a couple minutes with us, which we absolutely love. And you know what? Our bartenders took care of us. Our bar staff took care of us. We were down in the pool. The kids were on the slides. What a great day. So we have enough time to stop back at the room, get ourselves cleaned up, because Bry's got this one under control. He's planning a tournament for this mini golf tonight. So, all right, let's go get cleaned up. Let's see how that works. Well, there you go. That's a little bit better. We got a collar shirt on. We look a little bit better tonight. We're going to go a little more casual than we usually do, but we got the live stream tonight. We got Glow Mini Golf. We got dinner in about 15 minutes. So now that we're all changed, we're going to make sure those kids are ready to go, and we are off to the main dining room.
Today was a really fun day. We were in Port Canaveral. We did not get off the ship. We stayed up on the pool deck. We did some FlowRider. We did a lot of fun things.
Katie wants to be in the vlog.
There we go. Oh, for sure. We met some really cool people. People who follow our channel. People who are subscribed. People who say they learned from our videos. So that makes us... and Katie found 4 ducks. That makes us so happy, guys. So thank you for checking it out. Thank you for watching. And if you do find it valuable and you do like us, please hit that like button, because it doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe and like, and it really helps us out. So we really do appreciate it. But we also really appreciate meeting you even more in person. So thank you for that. We're on our way down to dinner, and it is white night. We're not in our white today.
Not yet. We have our white.
We will be.
Change.
We will be. It's Sunday, and if you guys, if you guys follow our channel at all, you know that Sunday night is our live night.
Duckies.
So we have some ducks to hide. We have some glow-in-the-dark necklaces. We are wearing white. Come on, guys. We're gonna have some fun. Here we go. We're gonna catch him. Where is he? Which one?
This
Which
first
one?
one right here.
Okay, hurry up. Hit the button.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh, here was the elevator.
Here it
guys.
comes. Here it comes, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Here you go.
It's coming literally. It's literally a decade.
Here we go. Hey, we found you.
We waited forever for this elevator.
Hi.
Hi!
Orlando. show is going on. That's all that music. We are still playing glow-in-the-dark mini golf. We brought our own glow-in-the-dark golf balls. I brought a couple extra glow sticks, so I'm gonna go see if maybe there's a couple kids that want some of these.
Really nice people.
Really nice people? Well, how about this? How about we go give them 2 right here. We'll see if they want them, okay?
Hey Nancy, hey Katina, hey Mary Ellen Dillon. How is everybody doing tonight? We got Blaine in the house. Good to see everyone. The Catholic Concept is here. We are live from the Oasis of the Seas as we sail out of Port Canaveral. So the Aqua 80 show just ended. Can you hear us over the music? Just let us know if you can hear us. We got the kids playing glow mini golf in the back. We got our glow necklaces here. Let's see the golf balls. Good, as long as you can hear us, Nancy. Video is very glitchy. What's up? We got the whole How We Cruise crew with us this time.
What's up, Becky E, Willie G, Mary Ellen?
See, you can do this, Chuck.
I got this.
Yeah, so we're having a great trip so far. And we got kids all over the place.
Hey, Danny D, the super supporter.
Today we did not get off the ship in Port Canaveral. We stayed on the ship. So this is one of the things that we love about group cruises. We got all of our friends here with us. We got all of our cruisers here with us. We're all up here having a good time. There's still a bunch more left to do tonight. We'll make sure you're subscribed to the channel with that notification bell on so you don't miss any of that. And we will catch up with you guys very soon.
Where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases away. And what will we do? And I feel okay. And I'm not big on social graces, because slip on down to the
Oasis.
of the seas. See what I did? Yes, you know how crazy. I thought it was clever. I have to tell myself that I don't know.
They are dropping dollar bills. Oh, it got stuck on the ledge. One of their favorite things to do is to drop a dollar bill or two. Let it land down there or float down